longer run for the what? Presidency. Yan. Now, in the Senado, when you talk about for the Senate to concur if that proclamation of martial law is legal. Dahil yung senadores susunod ang bunos. The Jack Marino, the vote should be what? 3/4 majority. So kaya nasa 124, 3/4 majority, how many? 24 divided by 4, that's 6. 6 times 3, mano? 18. Mawatan nyo. Then we have also the 2/3 majority. Ano yung 2/3 majority? At least 24 divided by 3, 8. 8 times 2, 16. So pag nakakuha ng boto 16, that's 2/3 majority. Now, doon sa election nila, doon sa Madrid at that time, the vote that should go to the president should be how many votes? 2/3. So kaya nasa one, Rizal and Del Pilar, nung inaalam ni Rizal is 60%, inaalam ni Del Pilar is 40%, or 51-52% na, ay 51 or 49%, the election is null and void. Bakit? He was unable to get